Hindi kailangang maging super strict para matrack ang mga gastos mo. The goal is not to control every peso, but it's to become more aware of where your money goes. Kapag alam mo ang spending habits mo, mas madaling mag-save at umiwas sa mga hindi kailangan na bilhin without feeling stressed. Ito ang ilang mga tips on how to track your spending without stress. Start simple. Huwag i-track lahat agad. Mag-focus muna sa needs, wants, and savings. Gumamit ng Notes app or budget apps. Gumamit ng application para mas madali itong magawa. Progress over perfection. May mga araw talaga na mapapagastos ka ng sobra, and that's okay. Ang importante ay mas aware ka na ngayon sa habits mo. Set weekly spending limits. Instead of super strict monthly budgets, mas manageable minsan ang weekly limits for food, shopping, or leisure. Save receipts or screenshot purchases. Makikita mo kung saan ka madalas gumagastos impulsively or kung may subscriptions kang hindi na ginagamit. Money tracking should make you feel more in control, not more pressured. Hindi ito tungkol sa pagde-deprive sa sarili. It's about spending smarter and protecting your peace of mind. You can do it!